stepped down from a throne to become lowly in order to give you an eternal home. A manger as a babe, kings hiring a hit on me, growing in a hostile environment called earth, enduring every moment of being man without sinning, with you in mind. Why then do you trample me underfoot? Why is my grace a common thing